They have boiled peanuts at the gas station. I've never seen this. I'm just gonna get a small one to try it. They have Cajun, and I guess this is original. Let me see. Ooh. This kind of looks rank, I'm not gonna lie. I have never seen this in Texas. I'm in Tennessee right now. Okay, let's try them. Whoever makes the best frozen yogurt gets $20. I'm gonna do frosted sugar cookie. I always get this flavor. A little butter pecan on them. And a little birthday cake. Little caramel turtles hit. A little cookie dough bites. A little nuts, even though I'm about to eat my boiled peanuts. All right, y'all, whose looks the best? Ryan's, Lila's. Oh, she or mine. All right, y'all, I got the boiled peanuts. Let's give it a taste. You have to peel them. Oh my gosh. These are pressure.
Can I try one? So you like suck the skin?
I guess.
Where are these found?
I'm from the gas station. Y'all gotta try these. They're like a little bit spicy, salty, that crunch too.
Warm.
Yeah, warm.